One, I think 7,700 was a conservative estimate to start because markets have been steadily repricing on a PE basis, and we're only assuming modest PE expansion this year to 7,700. And as much as the war is creating obviously a huge short-term setback and a lot of uncertainty, including effects on monetary policy, ultimately wars are going to be good for the U.S. economy and the U.S. stock market. So I think as we get towards the end of the year, the market stops thinking less about the crisis element of this and more on the opportunity.
I know, and that's hard to say. And it's not an endorsement, by the way, of anything. I get what your point is, because you look at history, and there's like the old maxim. I'm going to chunk it, but it's something like you sell on the sound of trumpets and you buy on the sound of cannons, meaning when things seem the worst is often when the market does what you least expect it to do, correct?
Yeah, that's right. I mean, I think right now, if we asked any investor, they can list all the reasons why they're worried and what could go wrong. And that's what gets priced in very quickly. But we have to know that that's counterbalanced with opportunities have always emerged. I mean, when we look at the last 8 major war events, the market was always bottoming very early into the conflict.
I have said, nobody cares what I think, but I have said that just given what I've done for 30 years, the markets feel a little too complacent, a little too sanguine maybe about what you just talked about. Go into that a little bit. Do you feel like people are a little bit too comfortable? It doesn't sound like you are. You sound like this is where we are and everything's fine.
Well, it's a good question. I was thinking about this on the way here, that we've already had a rolling bear market because last year energy was already in a 3-year bear market and financials had been in a downturn. The Mag 7 has been in a downturn, tech and software. That in total is like 70% of the S&P. And we know over the last few months, before even the war started, gold was going parabolic. So in some ways, I think the market was pricing in uncertainty in a geopolitical event. And I think the reason people are maybe, as you're saying, somewhat complacent, I think people have de-risked already.